In this video, guys, I want to talk about the Pittsburgh AC manifold gauge set available at Harbor Freight. So I wanted to hook some AC manifold gauges up to my vehicles to just get a more accurate reading in terms of where the high side is and the low side is. So I did a bunch of research online and looked at the YouTube videos. And some people had bad things to say about this, and so I decided I didn't really want to get it. But then I saw with a coupon you can get it for $40. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get it, okay? If it's bad, poor quality, I'll just take it back to Harbor Freight and get something else. You know, give me store credit. That's what I usually do. And if it's good, then I'm a winner because this is just $40. So when I got this, guys, I have to be honest with you, it comes in a nice blow mold case. And I was very impressed with the overall, first of all, I was impressed with the instructions. It has a little quick guide here. Like if you want to just do what I want to do, which is just to test your system, okay, diagnostic check. It shows you how to hook everything up very, very quickly, just to do a quick diagnostic check. Very simple, very easy. And the gauges themselves are surprisingly high quality. I mean, the printing is very nice. It's not cheap looking or crummy. And also, too, if you look at the video with Scotty Kilmer, and this is an old video by Scotty, but it's a goodie. It's like from 2012. He's using a Pittsburgh or a Harbor Freight manifold gauge set in that video. And then Chris Fix does a video on how to properly recharge your system. And I would suggest you guys go and look at that video if you really want to know how to do this correctly. There's no need for me to redo what Chris Fix has already done. But what's funny is that in the video, he says links in the description, and he has a link to something else on Amazon, but in the video itself, he's using the Pittsburgh. So I said, you know what? If it's good enough for Chris Fix, right, guys? It's good enough for me, at least to go try it for $40. So anyway, I used this. I hooked it up to my vehicles, and I got what I felt were very reasonable, accurate readings with this thing. You know, everything is very, very high quality. The couplers, you know, for your low side and your high side, these are very, very high quality. I mean, they really work very, very well. And they're not cheap or poorly machined. So I felt like this was actually a pretty fantastic value for $40. And so I'm just going to keep this and continue to use it to do a quick diagnostic check on my AC systems and do this instead of using like one of those cheap gauges that comes with a can that you buy. And those aren't terrible. Sometimes it'll give you an idea, but it won't really give you a high side and a low side reading. And that's really what you want, is you kind of want to see how your system is cycling, as Scotty shows in the video and as Chris Fix shows in the video. But my point of this video is just to let you know that after doing some research, I went ahead and purchased it. I used it, and I like it. I feel like it's a good manifold gauge set, especially if you can get it on a coupon. It gets my endorsement. So anyway, guys, I want to let you know that. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.